inside the pyramid.
No video, no video.
Inside the pyramid. Oh, look at this. How far does this thing go? It looks like going to the top or something. Oh my god. I have to watch my head because this place is not that high. Look at this. It goes all the way to the top. This is insane. If you're tall, then this is a little bit difficult. I'm 179, so not that tall. Does this has an end? Ouch. Wow. I think this is the end. Is it allowed to go further, or is this the end?
No idea.
There are stairs, but
Looks like we can go further. Yes.
it looks like they made it to go.
Yeah.
I think I'm going. I don't see any signs.
No signs. Open way.
I don't see signs, so we'll go. Wow. Look at this. Oh yeah, there are people there. Oh, not doing anything illegal. Whoever thought that I would climb a pyramid? This is not what I expected if you watch cartoons of pyramids and stuff. I've expected something like caves and rooms with secret doors. Oh my god, it still goes further. Oh, we have to crawl here. Look, it comes to my belly. Man. I think I'm almost at the top. Let's see. was not allowed to film inside. It's still not allowed to film here, but there's only a security guard at the entrance and at the end, so let's go back. Wow, now you can see what I climbed. If you slip here, then they will bury me like a mummy back in the days. Then this pyramid will be my grave. It's not allowed to bring a video camera with you. I had my GoPro with me. I had to open my bag and they said this GoPro is not allowed. So I told them that I will put my GoPro in my backpack. They say no. So I gave my GoPro to the guide. He's waiting for me outside. And you can enter with your phone, but only take pictures. Anyways, it's stupid that you can take pictures but not take videos. So I'm doing it anyways. This entrance of the pyramid is actually built in the Muslim era, so not 5,000 or 4,000 years ago, but yeah, a little bit less, or maybe much less. And I don't know much about it, but I know it was not built during the ancient times of the old Egyptians, way before Islam or Christ ever existed. Wow, look at this. Look at how I'm crawling in this small space. Still halfway to go. Made it. And this is the entrance and the exit. Wow. So, as you saw, it was a very long climb, and yeah, I think I've been to the top. It's crazy. Whoa, look at that parachute, skydive, I don't know what it is, motorized something with a parachute. So let's go down.
اغلط فيكي انا الصبح اغلط عشان تاذيني يلا يا بنت الادم
Okay, we go down. All the Egyptian schoolgirls blocking the way. And we are safe and sound. I've been cursed inside the pyramid. I feel like I'm a mummy. Look how many people standing here. And some Russian tourists tell me that I have to move so they can make a picture. How many people do you want to ask to move so you can make a picture?